Hemoptysis most commonly results from bleeding which is originating in which of the following vascular systems? Blood supply of the lungs is from two sources. Pulmonary circulation. Why is it a low pressure system? Because the pressure is generally kept around 25 to 10 millimeters of Hg. Now, this bronchial circulation is considered to be a high pressure circulation system. Why high pressure? Because it is originating directly from the aorta. So pressure is almost similar to the systolic pressure. It is the bronchial circulation which is the main source of hemoptysis. Why? Because of they are having thin walls, they are tortuous, and they work under high pressure.